An AI agent pointed at your data is only as good as what your catalog says about it. So I scored DataHub's own published showcase catalog. 67 datasets, 51 of them landed in the poor band, and every one of them for the same reason. No table description for an agent to read. This is Preflight. It reads an open source DataHub catalog through DataHub's own MCP server, grades every table 0 to 100 on whether an agent could actually use it, and cues the repairs behind human approval. This model runs locally. Nothing about your schema lives in the machine. So raw pitches has a score of 31, which ends up in the poor band. It has no table description at all, which caps the band no matter what else is present, because an agent cannot infer the one fact only a human has. So it goes after the worst table. But to describe raw pitches, it first has to know what the columns in it actually mean. And here it hits one that it cannot safely guess: release speed. There are 3 plausible meanings, and picking the wrong one poisons every answer downstream. So it does not guess. An S. 3 real options. There's an honest out, unsure, not my call. The agent is allowed to not know, and so is the human. So I answer it. 1. That folds into the agent's operating doc as a convention, keyed term, speed. A token, not a field name, and not a table name, not operating doc that lives inside DataHub itself, as documentation on an entity. The agent's memory is stored in the catalog. Now, the test. Same catalog, run it again. There are 0 speed cards, not just on raw pitches, the table I answered for, also on pitch metrics, which carries an undescribed release speed, and the sibling called effective speed, in which nobody answered for. The rule transferred on a shared term, and that's a test that proves that it isn't luck. It builds on a world where the first column was already described, so the agent never had a reason to ask there, and the card jumps to the second table instead. Every fix is a proposal. 6 queued tags, all pending, none applied. Open one, and you see exactly what it would do. No tags, becoming context colon poor. The agent has no right path around this queue. A human clicks approve, and only then does it touch anything. Apache 2.0, 769 tests, 0 cloud calls, and that 0 is enforced by a socket card the suite reruns on every test. Not a promise in a README. Repo and the live review app are both linked below. Thanks for watching.